2025 is your year to turn passions into income. Let me show you how to start making money online, even if you're not sure where to begin. Hi, friend, I'm Terry. I'll be guiding you through actionable steps to start making money online. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or if you're just looking for extra income. The first step is going to be identifying your passions and your skills. What do you love to do? That's exactly where you'll find your income opportunity. Want to figure out exactly what skills or passions you can turn into an income? I have the perfect freebie for you. It is a free download. Download my free How to Identify Your Skills or Passion worksheet. It's packed with easy exercises to help you pinpoint exactly how you can monetize your own passions or skills. Pretty much, it'll identify what you're truly good at, so click the link in the description to download my freebie today. Next is going to be easy ways you can monetize your passion or skill. So I'm going to use myself for example. I'll say like drop shipping. I did used to have a drop shipping boutique and I learned how to make $14K when I had my drop shipping boutique. People then start asking me how much do I charge to make pre-made boutiques. So that's a perfect example of how to monetize a skill, something that you're already good at. So then I started selling pre-made dropshipping boutiques and I even still sell them today. Next will be content creation. Do you want to start a YouTube channel maybe? Like I have this YouTube channel. I actually made a second channel as well, which is around my fitness journey. But you can monetize YouTube obviously. And then with the YouTube channel, you can also do affiliate links or even sponsorships. Brands can even start paying you to promote their products. Next will be digital products. You can create digital products, online courses, teaching anything that you are skilled in. You can teach others exactly what you know, and it'll be in a digital form. You can even use a platform like Gumroad to sell your digital product or course on for free. That was the very first platform I was using when I was selling digital products, and I do still sell them, but I use Shopify. Gumroad is free and it's perfect for beginners. Maybe you even have like a nice following on Instagram. Friend, if you got mad followers, or even if you don't, like start posting content. Vlog your day-to-day life. I was making my mom content, day in the life of a mom, stay-at-home mom. My videos would go viral. I was getting paid from Instagram Reels, and I think Instagram is still paying people. I'm not on Instagram anymore. I'm only on YouTube, but I've seen people post that Instagram is still paying people for the Reels. So get on Instagram if you're already on there, you're already active, you're already scrolling, and you want to make some extra money. Friends, start monetizing your content. Don't be the one just scrolling. Be the person that's also posting. Try to create more than you consume. Okay, that's the key fact that I've been trying to keep in my head for YouTube. So next will be social media partnerships. So like I said, if you have like a nice following, brands are willing to pay you to promote their products. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start listing some ways, some steps that you need to take. Like be sure to take action. Don't just watch this video and keep watching more videos like this. Like be sure to actually take action so you can start making money online in 2025. There is no reason to get a second job. It's not needed. I'm telling you, start the business. Don't pick up those extra hours at work. Start the business. I mean, if you have to, I understand. But I feel like makes more sense when you pour into your own time and your future. And having a business or a side hustle can count as that. All right. So step one will be choose your niche. Figure out what you want to be niche down to. Is it fitness? Is it beauty? Is it skincare, which kind of falls into beauty? You got to figure out what type of niche you want to be under. Is it business? I would find myself under like business, side hustles. That would be my niche, Step two is to create your social media platforms. Like, are you going to be on YouTube, Instagram? I don't know about TikTok. TikTok is back and forth, y'all. I don't know. I only promote my business on YouTube. So you got to figure out which platform you can be consistent within. You don't need 3 or 4 social media accounts for your business. If you can keep up with that, more power to you. But for me, I know I only stick with YouTube. So you got to figure out which platform you can be consistent on and try to literally be consistent. Step 3 is start creating and sharing your content. So now you have your niche. You know what platform you're going to be on. Start creating the content and share it. Be sure you are creating more than you consume. Remember, we're taking action after this video, okay? Step 4 is engage with your audience. So if you're receiving comments, be sure to like the comment back. You'll be surprised how many people comment on my video like, OMG, you actually wrote back, or oh wow, you actually wrote back. Thank you. Other creators don't even write back. And I'm just like, people really don't write back. I can see if they have like a lot of subscribers, or even then, like there's ways you can go through those comments when you have some downtime. Like, I'm gonna like the comment and I'm gonna respond back because I have the time. And even if I did it and there was thousands of comments, I'll probably figure it out. And I've seen most top creators, they only have like a couple hundred comments. Like it's possible for you to respond back. So be sure to always engage and respond back to your audience. Step 5 is to set goals and be consistent. So you have to figure out how you can be consistent and how often you can post. Don't say you're going to post 5 to 7 times a week if you can't do that. I know for me and my YouTube channel, I can only post every 2 weeks compared to my schedule and where I am in my life. You have to be consistent. Yeah, I may not post every day or every week, but I have a consistent schedule. It's normal to feel scared, but 2025 is the time to start. Like, start now creating that content. I'm sure you have something unique to offer. We all do. Don't let fear hold you back. Get out there and start creating. So if you're ready to make money online in 2025, comment down below what your passion or skill is, or which one you're going to monetize in your niche. Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.